Hey everybody, so we are headed up to Rockaway. A gentleman called. He has a RV. When he starts it up, it just keeps wanting to die on it. And he tries to put it in drive, it dies on him. He said it's been sitting for a while and all that, so we're gonna go check that out and see what's going on with it. Could be filter, dirty fuel filter, could be one of the sensors, who knows. We'll go up there and take a look at it. All right, see you up there. So we're working on this RV here, the big huge RV. It's got the Cummins engine, the straight six 5.9 liter, and what we found is on the injection pump, this right here is not opening. So when it's cold out, this should be up. When it's up like this, the engine will stay running and all that, but it just go down and won't stay up and act like it's supposed to. So we'll get that changed out for the guy. So we got to get that part ordered up. What that is on that Cummins on the injection pump is the fuel shut-off solenoid that was causing that it went out, so it's not staying up like it's supposed to and all that. So got the part ordered. It won't be until Tuesday, and when we come back up in the morning, we get the new one and get that working without that solenoid, with the solenoid off, and vehicle just working just fine. Easy peasy and quick diagnose, all that. All right, I'll catch you on the flip side. Have a good weekend.